Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the new goodies. Now, if you are already familiar with my channel, you already know I'm very faithful to my paper towels, 140 sheets. Also, my strong and soft bath tissue for rolls to ply. You already know it's $1.25 each. I still think that it's pretty worthy. I will say though, I do buy these sometimes in a pinch. Target does provide one for like I believe 2 rolls for $1.50. So it's not too bad. It's just like a quarter more. So that I will say, if you have a Target close to you, get that. But sometimes if I'm in the area and I'm in the area of the Dollar Tree, then I usually just pick up a roll. But nonetheless, it's still 140 sheets, so can't go really too bad with that. Cleaning products. You already know I love my Pine Sol. It's 99.9 effective of killing all germs, especially COVID. And it's 9.5 fluid ounces. Can't go wrong. Has a nice pretty scent, and you can see it's multi-surface cleaner. So I always grab when they have them at my local branch. LA's totally awesome laundry detergent stain lifter. It has a really nice pretty scent, clean fresh scent. And it is 42 fluid ounces. I do believe that this is still worthy of the $1.25 just because, and yes, it is relatively smaller. But I will say that there's bottles that I've seen of this same size, like at a Rite Aid or any kind of Walgreens, and it's almost $5. So I still think it's still worthy, even if it's $1.25. Speaking of worthy, the LA's Totally Awesome liquid dish detergent I still think is also worthy. I do particularly like this scent, and it is a really great product, and it will last you a number of washes. It's 30 fluid ounces. Comes in a number of scents, but I like apple, so I do believe those are still worth the $1.25. And speaking of cleaning tools, yes, I will make mention that yes, Dollar Tree does carry sponges, 6 in a pack. And even though it's smaller, you can say in comparison to the old sponge, it's still worthy, and it's not too bad. 6 in a pack, it's really unheard of, honestly, where I live. It's so expensive to live in New York City, so if you can get 6 for $1.25, it's not so bad. I will also link a video down in the description box below. Chic on the Cheap also made mention of how you must recycle your sponges, throw them out. They're disposable for a purpose. They are not to last you a lifetime. It's just for a few washes, and then you dump them because it's in poor health if you keep using the same sponges. So that I will link down below, but look out for Scrub Buddies, 6 in a pack for $1.25. Speaking of my other YouTubers who I love and I do follow loyal, I am a loyal fan. But Bargain Bethany made a hack video recently, which I will also link in the description box below, on how this is also by Scrub Buddies. It's a squeegee, which would typically go perfectly for your car window. But this also helps when it comes to dusting. If you are trying to lift the dirt from like your rugs and it's really kind of hard to kind of gather all the dust and debris, this does a great job of doing that. So I will also do a follow-up video of trying out a number of these Dollar Tree products and letting you know if it really is worth the $1.25. I'm going to give it a try. But I really did like her idea of how you can just kind of gather the dirt, and it's really easy. So again, it's in their, I believe their bathroom and organizational section. So if you see it, snag it, $1.25. Speaking of organization, I believe, yeah, Chic and the Cheap did use this very matte sink mat that, you can keep, your dishes and whatnot. But I love when you can use these things and you can repurpose them. So she used it on her video recently to hang up her sunglasses. And though I do have a video on here where I used a bath mat because they didn't have this particular mat, then I'm going to see the difference. And if I like this version, then I'll let you guys know. But she was able to hang her sunglasses and anything that you just want to kind of keep tidy in your armoire or your bedroom or even in your bathroom maybe. But I'm going to give it a try, and I will keep you guys posted. But $1.25, and it's located in their cooking section. Cooking Concepts Sink Mat. And it's 12 inches by 11 inches. So if you see it, snag it. Another handy hack from Bargain Bethany. She made mention of the Mega, I can't pronounce this, sorry, Carabiner by Tool Bench Hardware. Now this came in handy. I'm sure it's really handy around the home, if in your tools or your tool shed. But Bargain Bethany used it as a hack to carry groceries. And come on, ladies, you know, and yes, even guys, anybody who does shopping, if you find yourself overloaded by a number of shopping bags and your hand is hurting, this is a great way to kind of break that pain, that feeling of pain. And you can hang a number of shopping bags off of this, and then of course you use the section where it's most comfortable, the foam part, to carry all the bags, the heavy lifting. So you have the bags hanging from this portion and you can carry it safely on this side. So I'm going to give it a try because I am an active and constant shopper, so I will let you guys know if this is definitely worth the $1.25. But I liked her hack, and I'll give it a try, so stay tuned for that. Now, I will say that Dollar Tree also has an assortment of techie kind of products, and so they have the e-circuit USB cable, micro USB cable. I'm going to use this. My first one was working, but I let it drop, so I had to go back and I picked up another one. Unfortunately, that wasn't worthy, so I'm going to give it a try one more time. Hopefully this will work and it'll charge my phone properly like the first cable did. If not, I will keep you guys posted and I will really let you know if it's worth $1.25. The first one was, and it actually still kind of works, even it's a little wonky, but that was of my own doing. It wasn't because of the product itself. I'd let it drop. You know, always being chubby fingers. But anyway, nonetheless, I'm going to give it a try and I'll keep you guys posted. It is 2.1 amp, 30 inches long, 39 inches long, micro USB cable. So I'll give this a try, y'all. Stay tuned. Yes, and the anti-fog wipes from Zeiss is back. Gentle cleaning with added fog protection. Thankfully, they're back. Oh my God. I guess my video did a really great promotion because they were gone. For a while, they were missing from my local branch. So thankfully, they're back. Yes, I still use my mask, and these do really come in handy. One towelette per pair of glasses. Don't try to reuse them. Don't use one towelette for multiple glasses. Just one pair, one towelette, and you're good to go. But it definitely does come in handy. So if you do see it, snag it. But please leave some for me because Lord knows it took me weeks to recover and get a few more. So I took advantage and I got 3 packs. So now this is the new item now located in their summer section, their tablecloth. I love their tablecloth. Just be careful of what you find though, because some of them look like the ones that are labeled rectangle. You think it would be, oh, it's perfect, I have a rectangle table. No, they mean those long rectangles. And I do not have that. So, but these have always done me well, this particular brand of home collection. This is Peva with flannel backing, tablecloth, nape, Avalon, 52 inches by 70 inches. And it comes in this really nice, pretty, summery pattern, and as you can see, you can go based on the labeling: square, oblong, oval, round. And so mine is oblong, my table, and I thought it would be perfect for summer or for an impending birthday that I'm thinking of having. So there you go. And it comes in these nice summery things, pineapples and flowers, and I still think it would look nice also even for Mother's Day. So I always pick up a tablecloth just in case to kind of keep in stock. You never know for festivities. So there's that, $1.25. And lastly, y'all, I do appreciate sometimes their at Dollar Tree's eyelashes, and you can always custom make them to your eye. If they're too long, you can cut them. But this is new for the Dollar Tree. This is Ione's 3D faux mink lashes, which honestly will run you sometimes up to $5 depending on the brand. But they have a zodiac sign one, so I thought these were really cute. I picked up one in my sign. Yes, I'm a Virgo. And I know the packaging is really darling. I don't know who they got to do the artwork, but wow, they're really impressive, really pretty. And they have them on a number of like designs and packaging, and I like the air one. They had one for Earth. Obviously, should have picked up one in Earth, but I thought it was just too much. So I like this lighter version of it. But you can see reusable, lightweight. What a beautiful packaging. I'm gonna make mention too that I did pick up the pegboard, and unfortunately I was only able to find four small ones. It wasn't the big heftier ones, so maybe I'm going judging it based on the size. I thought that it can hold a lot of things, but it really can't. I've already mentioned my opinions on my channel. It's not too reliable, so I think what I'm going to do so I don't waste my money is that I'm going to turn it into something else where I can maybe hang my eyelashes packaging like this, and kind of keep it like a store like front thing or whatever. Bargain Bethany also has a great video on how you can do that on her channel, and I can link it down below. But yeah, that's the new stuff, y'all. I will do an update video letting you guys know how these products actually work and if they really are worth the $1.25. So please stay tuned for that. I hope you have enjoyed this haul and enjoyed all these goodies and the classics. And if you see them, please snag them. If you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below which object or item really stuck out to you. What did you like? What you didn't like? Feel free to share down below. And also, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, my next DIY, or my next review, which I'm going to be uploading some new reviews for new shows coming soon. So please stay tuned for that. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.